We're back. And it is time to get this third frame happening. I don't know if caplight's going to be a good idea or not, maybe. No caplight. Okay. Third frame, but we're doing things a bit differently. As you can see, maybe, all these previous frames we've done with a bit of a metal plate and some bolts and what have you to try and hold the frame together so the frame stays a frame before we put it up. But this time we're going a bit more traditional, and we're just going to use the wedges themselves to hopefully hold everything together. Just want to get down a whisker.
Mm-hmm.
The idea with the wedges and the frame and the shape that it is that the shape holds itself together. So eventually when there's wedges driven in the walls, wedges driven in the roof to try and wedge everything in together, the idea is nothing can move. So these outer legs, in order to move in, have to move down because they're longer. 4 inches out for every 4 foot down. According to Mr. Dan Hurd, props to the man. Go by his teachings, not mine. But this is our principle and this is what we're getting up to. So the idea is we're going to stand these 2 wall frames up and then get this piece of timber that I'm sitting on right now and sit it on top and hope that everything just comes together and works, which it should, but we shall see. I don't think it's going to be that hard.
Yeah.
Really, I think I should just be able to have that sit there, have the other sit the other side.
Mm-hmm. And then bang the top bit on or something.
Just sit it up there.
Yeah.
And it should just work.
Yep.
Let's see how well. Let's just see how it's going.
That looks pretty even now.
Yeah.
From back here anyway.
Ooh. Woohoo. Oh, we like that. Now, for straight in, that's pretty bloody good. Yeah, they're all sitting snug. Yeah, no, I totally had faith that was going to just work, eh?
Shit, we took a lot out of that side of the wall.
Hey, out there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's alright, wedges can fill the gap.
Yep.
Now we need our timber wedges.
Yep.
Sit, Bibba, sit. Don't squish my head.
I'll just move it down so we can see that you were filling in there.
Get these nice and compacted. I don't think this is normal practice, but
It is what we're doing.
that's what we're doing. There's lots of people ask if we think that what we're doing is safe, and it's an understandable question, but we wouldn't be doing it if we didn't think so. And our principle is just go to the standards of people that know more than us and then literally double it. So we've got twice as many frames in here as what you would normally use.
Yeah, usually you'd have the first one and the back one.
Yep, every 1200 apart,
Yeah.
whereas we've gone every 600. Just to be sure. So, so, think about where to wedge first.
Yep.
thinking it'll be each end
Yeah.
up there. We'll get that top plate where it wants to be.
Yep.
One secured mine shaft.
Just turn the cap light off and see it better. Oh, it might be right actually.
Yeah, we have our buried feet. Wedges doing their job. No plates, no bolts.
Gravity.
Wedges and gravity. Pressure. Geometry. Stuff. Foot. Yeah, very happy with that. Very, very happy with that. Suppose it must be time to dig some crystals. Have a look at that. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Lots of stones.